Nakamatayog na bituin ang tagumpay, tagumpay ng ating lahi, tagumpay ng ating ibig, sining at nahangat, tagumpay ng ating lahat. Rumusan at sipa sa may darating. Iba't ibang sila, ipapagabong mamunan. Ito isang araw sa napuluan. Kasama natin abutin. Pinakabatayong na bituin. At ang ating tagumpay, tagumpay ng ating lahi, tagumpay ng ating lipi, ang tanging nililiti at inaangat. Angat ko'y tagumpay nating lahat. Angat ko'y tagumpay nating lahat.
May you remain standing up for our energizer to be led by Miss Anna J. Zayo. Let's give a round of applause, please.
Always lang po, since ako po yung tinawag nila, tatawagin ko rin po lahat ng father po ngayon since it is Father's Day.
Yeah! Sino ba yun? Sir, ikaw po ba, father? Hindi raw, wala.
Para to sa mga tatay at mukhang tatay na. Ay, ano gagawin? Tatayaw ka, sir.
Naisa si Sir Yani.
Ang mga father po, Sir Bernard Buba, sino pa po ba?
Hindi daw si Sir, hindi daw si Sir. Si Sir din hindi.
Hindi. Pag umarap tayo sa classroom natin, ang tatay na yun ang ating mga mag-aaral. Hindi lang tatay sa dugo, hindi tatay sa puso.
Correct. Oh, yan. Ayan, ayan. Sige na, Sir. Punta ka na doon. Sir Raymond, ito nila. Tatay daw ng mga bata. Sige na.
Tatay ng mga bata.
Sa lahat ng mga tatay, tumatay yung nanay at tatay. Sige, tara na. Let's do it.
Lakad na. Ayun, napasayaw si Sir.
So, to continue the session about revised P210, let me introduce first the speaker. So, the first speaker from Say National High School, May. At isa po siya sa naging teacher ko ng high school, Porter High School.
Wow.
Saka, isa sa pinakabait at magaling na teacher nung nag-aaral ko. So, but before that, let's have a recap for yesterday session. So, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Batigas. A round of applause, please.
Hi, so good morning everyone. So, with our topic training on revised K to 12, I mean K to 10 basically creating curriculum mathematics 8. So, yesterday, the session was presided by our own beloved teacher 2, Sir Bayani Marquez Jr. And with our morning session, our first speaker was Ma'am Celeste Torines. So, it was started with the topic of walkthrough of mathematics curriculum standards and unlocking of learning competencies. And she discussed as well as the revised mathematics 8 learning competencies, the added new learning competencies, and the retained competencies, together with unpacking of learning competencies, how to unpack learning competencies, reminders on unpacking and group activity by clusters. Then, after of Ma'am Torines, it was followed by our second speaker, Sir Amilito Kilala, Master Teacher 2, discussing instructional design framework, which involves curriculum, teaching strategies, and assessment. Also, the elements of IDF for mathematics, the 4 I's, 4 C's, and 4 E's, as well as the 4 instructional principles and strategies to apply with 4 I's, 4 C's, and 4 E's, added by pedagogical approaches aligned to RA 10.533, and as well as the revised DLP focuses on process involved such as explicitation, for example, learning activity, and then by an activity. So with our afternoon session, our third speaker was Stella Maris Campana, Teacher 3. She discussed the classroom assessment based on Depth and Order 8/2015, highlighting the formative and summative assessment. As well as she discussed principles of effective assessment, assessment method, sample assessment activities, other important components of assessment such as feedback, lesson giving feedback, then technology enhanced assessment for learning, the types of technology enhanced assessment, stress check, using classroom ini, and then the 21st century skills as well. And with her part 2 session, learning innovation skills, communication skills, and then under formative assessment is PAIR, or what we call on the formative assessment instructional resource, and then sequence of parts of formative assessment or the formative assessment framework, where she ended it with closure. So that was our yesterday's recap. Thank you.
To start the session, may I call in Mrs. Celeste B. Torines. A round of applause, please.
Good morning po, happy Father's Day po sa lahat ng ayan. Okay, so skill, kahapon po, trinay natin i-release it and then mag-unpack po ng quarter 1. So by this time po, i-release ulit po natin yung quarter 2, pero hindi na po tayo mag-unpack. Gagawa na lang po tayo, pinaka-output natin mamaya is yung continuation ng topic simula kahapon. Okay? So, we have here, so at the end of the session, the participants will be able to familiarize the quarter 2 curriculum standard. So, hindi ko na yan masyadong didiscuss because binigay ko naman na sa inyo yung copy And then meron na rin natang na-send na soft copy. So unpacking learning competencies from further to which we're not going to do that. Okay, write and analyze na may detailed lesson plan through group discussion. So yung output nyo kukuha hapon, i-plugin or enter nyo po yan sa laptop para mabuo na po yung isang TLL which wherein i-complete po natin yan sa last day. Okay, then we have here the professional standard address